Hello everyone. In the today's session, we are going to continue mock test series number 1. It's a part number 3. This series is most important for all the state, master cadet, UGC NET, KVC, PGT, TGT and other competitive exams. So must watch this video till the end. So let's start. Question number 41. Which technique was first used by Marlowe in his plays? Free words, compact style, blank words, imagery. Correct answer option number C, the blank words. Christopher Marlowe first used blank words in his plays. Blank words is generally defined as the unrhymed words written in iambic pentameter. Next question. Which was the first play written in blank words by the Christopher Marlowe? Edward II, Dr. Faustus, Tamburlaine the Great, The Jew of Malta. Correct answer option number C, the Tamburlaine the Great. It's the first play written by Christopher Marlowe in a blank words, published in 1590. Next question. Who was Marlowe's co-writer for Dido, Queen of Carthage? Thomas Nash, Thomas Kidd, Shakespeare, T.S. Eliot. Correct answer option number A, Thomas Nash. Thomas Nash was Elizabethan period famous poet, playwright, stylist and known for his famous novel The Unfortunate Traveler. Dido, the Queen of Carthage, written in between 1585 to 87, published 1594. Next question. What was the name of Maltese Jewish merchant in the Jew of Malta? The Tamburlaine, Dr. Faustus, Mephistopheles, Barbarus. Correct answer option number D, the Barbarus. Name of the Maltese Jewish merchant in the Jew of Malta. The Jew of Malta, written in between 1589 to 1590, published in 1592. Next question. Who wrote the poem The Passionate Shepherd to His Love? James Joyce, Christopher Marlowe, Virginia Woolf, Swinburne. Correct answer option number B, Christopher Marlowe. The Passionate Shepherd to His Love, known for his first line, "Come live with me and be my love." It is a famous poem written by English poet Christopher Marlowe. Next question. Rosencrantz and Guildenstern characters are taken from which play of William Shakespeare? Hamlet, Midsummer Night's Dream, Romeo and Juliet, King Lear. Correct answer option number A, Hamlet. Hamlet is written by William Shakespeare, published 1603 and written in between 1599 to 1601. Rosencrantz and Guildenstern are both childhood friends of Hamlet. Next question. What was the name of Ophelia's father? Hamlet, Claudius, Gertrude, Polonius. Correct answer option number D, Polonius. Polonius is the main character, the father of Ophelia. He is the chief counselor of the play's villain Claudius. Ophelia and the Polonius are the character in William Shakespeare's Hamlet. Hamlet is Shakespeare's longest play, 30,557 words, set in Denmark. Next question. What was the name of Jewish moneylender in the play The Merchant of Venice? Portia, Shylock, Antonio, Jessica. Correct answer option number B, Shylock. The Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare, published 1600. It is a 5-act comedy written between 1596 1599. A merchant in Venice named Antonio defaults on a large loan provided by Jewish moneylender Shylock. Next question. Which one of the following daughters of King Lear shows sincere love towards him? Goneril, Regan, Cordelia, all of above. Correct answer option number C, the Cordelia shows the sincere love towards his father, King Lear. King Lear, written by William Shakespeare, published 1608, written during the period of 1605 to 1606. It is a 5-act tragedy. Next question. What was the name of Romeo's dearest friend in the play Romeo and Juliet? Tybalt, Benvolio, Aeschylus, Mercutio. Correct answer option number D, Mercutio. Mercutio is the dearest friend of Romeo in Romeo and Juliet. Romeo and Juliet written by William Shakespeare, published 1597. The Tybalt stabs him to death with his rapier. Next question. Who was Othello's chief lieutenant in the play Othello, written by William Shakespeare? Iago, Cassio, Emilia, Bianca. Correct answer option number B, Cassio. Cassio is the chief lieutenant in the play Othello. Othello play written 1603 and published 1604. Set in a motion when Othello, a heroic black general in the service of the Venice, appoints Cassio and not Iago as a chief lieutenant. Next question. Spenser originally planned to write how many total books under title The Faerie Queene? 24 books, 16, 28 books, 20 books. Correct answer option number E, 24 books. Spenser had originally planned 24 books, but only 6 books are known to have been completed. Next, in which one of his poems Edmund Spenser celebrates the royal dynasty Tudor? The Faerie Queene, The Shepherd's Calender, Amoroti, Epithalamion. Correct answer option number E, The Faerie Queene. The Faerie Queene, it is an allegory. Next, Edmund Spenser's first major poetic work, The Faerie Queene, Complaints, Epithalamion, Shepherd's Calender. Correct answer option number D, The Shepherd's Calender, the first major poetic work written by Edmund Spenser, published 1579. It is a series of poems considered to mark the beginning of English Renaissance in literature. Next question. Spenser dedicated his Amoroti to whom? Elizabeth Hurley, Boyle, Duncan, Elizabeth II. So here correct answer option number B, the Elizabeth Boyle. Edmund Spenser's famous collection of sonnets. Amoroti, it is a series of love sonnets dedicated to Elizabeth Boyle, the lady of his dreams, whom he pursues and eventually marries in 1594, but published in 1595. Who wrote poetry collection Complaints? John Dryden, Marlowe, Shakespeare, Spenser. Correct answer option number D, Edmund Spenser. Complaints is a poetry collection. It contains of 9 poems, published 1591. Edmund Spenser was an English poet and often considered one of the greatest poets in the English language. How many total poems are in Spenser's Complaints? 10, 19, 9, 20. So it's easy one. Correct answer option number C, 9 poems included in Spenser's Complaints. Next question. When was Spenser's Mother Hubbard tale published? 1591, 1585, 1575, 1596. Correct answer option number A, 1591. Mother Hubbard's tale was published. Next question. What was the meaning of Prothalamion? It is a marriage song, birthday song, pastorals, essays. Correct answer option number A, marriage song. Prothalamion. It is a nuptial song composed by Spenser, published 1596 on the occasion of twin marriage, Lady Elizabeth and Lady Catherine Somerset. Which one of the following works is not written by Christopher Marlowe? The Jew of Malta, The Faerie Queene, Edward II, Tamburlaine. Correct answer option number B, The Faerie Queene, not written by Christopher Marlowe. It is written by Edmund Spenser. So now we move on to at the end of this session. So like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query then you can write me in a comment box below. That's it for today. See you soon for the next video. Till then, bye.